speaker is a visitor from Google, Juan Vargas, who is the University Relations Manager, and he's going to be talking about, he had a talk titled Connecting Dots in a Flat World. That's the title, and the neat thing is that we will have our puzzle solution in front of him. Now, does anyone here know anything about the way Google interviews work? Heard anything about Google interviews at all? Like, is there any one word you might use to apply to them?
Esoteric.
They're esoteric? Well, but in what way? Puzzles.
Yeah, they try to trick you, don't they?
No, they don't try to trick you. They ask really good problems where then they watch how you solve them. It's actually a lot of fun to interview by people. In any case, I designed the question that you'll be getting this week to look a lot like the sort of questions that I know of some of the questions I know of from the Google interviews. And so this is a good opportunity, if you have a solution to this, to present a solution to an interesting problem which has a bunch of solutions. We might have, if you guys have multiple solutions, you'll get to present in front of someone who's important at Google an approach to a problem which might get you noticed. So here we go. This particular problem was inspired by one by Bentley. We have 1 billion 32-bit integers. They're all stored in a file. You only have 2 gigabytes of memory. Your challenge is to efficiently sort them. Now, you can use as much disk space as you want. You can open lots of files if you want. We want to hear the most efficient way you can come up with to sort 1 billion 32-bit integers. By the way, you can assume each integer that's in that file is distinct. So you have 1 billion distinct numbers with only 2 gigabytes of memory. Okay? So, yes, email in solutions, but if you have one, this is a fun problem. You can also work in teams if you want. You can present, if you get a couple friends together, work on it together, and then you can get up and say, this is our solution, and present a nice little solution and why it's correct. In any case, so that's the puzzle for next week. It's on the web. I have a mistake. It says 4 gigabytes of memory. I meant 2 gigabytes of memory.